Hey, my name is Nikki. Today I will show you how I paint this cute bear gift card with watercolors. I use 100% cotton paper in size A4. This is equal to 8.3 inch by 11.7 inch. I cut it in half and then I fold it in half. Now I have the gift card and can start painting. I tape the paper onto my table with a bit of washi tape so that it doesn't move around. For this project I use two round brushes. One is in size 8 and the other has size 1 for smaller details. You also need watercolors. I use my Schminke watercolor paint box. And then I start with a sketch. I draw a U shape that is upside down and two hooks at the bottom ends for the arms. Two more hooks for the feet, and then I connect them with a line. A snout and two eyes, two cheeks and two ears. And of course, don't forget the nose. Then a balloon and a few hearts around it. If you want, you can add some text. Now I'll show you which colors I use. For the body of the bear, I mix English red, burnt umber and sepia. For the snout, I mix the body color with a bit of Naples yellow. To paint the cheeks, I add a tiny bit of cadmium red to my mixture. Then I mix Prussian blue with cyan to get the color for the balloon. If I add a tiny bit of black, I get the color for the lettering. To paint the hearts, I use a mixture of cadmium red and carmine. But you can use, of course, any other color you like. Now that we have our colors together, we can start painting. I start with the snout. I have a bit too much paint on my brush, so I dry it on my paper towel and absorb the excess paint. I use the same color for the inside of the ears. Then I paint in the cheeks. When everything is dry, I start to moisten the paper in the areas where I paint the body. I start to bring in the brown color I have mixed. I start at the edge because I want the color to be darker here, and then I walk my way to the center. I add some more dark paint to the edge as long as the paper is still wet. Unfortunately, the paper was already too dry to continue working at the body, so I decided to paint the balloon first and finish the body later. I start with the outlining of the balloon. Then I dip the brush into the water and continue painting with the paint that is left on my brush. I rinse my brush and dry it on my paper towel. Now I can wipe out some paint and create a highlight. I add some more opaque paint to the left side to create depth. Now I dry everything with my heat gun. Time to paint the head. I start with a very light blue wash. Then I have to let everything dry before I can add details. I re-wet the body of the bear, but I have to be careful as long as the head is still wet because I don't want it to bleed into each other. Now I can add more brown paint to the edges and everywhere it needs more depth. If everything is dry, I continue painting the head. With some opaque blue paint, I add some stripes and the other details. With pure black, I paint in the eyes and the nose. I used the brown color to make the arms visible. With a few strokes, I paint in the claws. Then the balloon must be tied so that it won't fly away. With the red color I mixed, I paint in the hearts. I don't want them to look too perfect, so I leave some white space here and there. Now I paint in the lettering. If you have some white gouache, you can add some highlights to the eyes and the nose. And that's it. The cute watercolor gift card is ready. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of my weekly videos. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video, bye bye!